Yours making cookies, guys. Chocolate chip, are they?
Get that out of my face.
I'm gonna have it close up to where you're scooping. There.
You're so full of paint like that.
Don't be all picky, Mom. I can do my thing. Are you gonna make more dough, or is that it?
This is it. I'm not mixing anymore. Nopey, nopey, nopey. You want?
I'm filming this. I want to. What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Are you gonna bake anything else? So this is it, huh?
Yeah, but I bet you get what, 3 chips in this bag?
No, you get this many.
Wow. All this for 100 calories?
You might have dumped a few too.
Yeah, maybe you can make bars. Yeah, I didn't really look at the list for Dr. Schumann, you know. It
Where is
just,
it?
what?
Do you have one?
No, she just say, okay, sign up for the potluck, everybody.
Mm.
And then I would find a commercial for Cancer Treatment Centers of America, and I would change. Everything I had seen on the web about lung cancer was grim. And then I came across the Cancer Treatment Centers of America website, which is full of hope. You walk through the door and immediately have the feeling, yes, there is something that can be done. And we're
Look
going to do
at
it.
how much he made
The
already.
nutrition area and the naturopathic area and the
Are there some in the oven?
together for healing. You have to take responsibility for your own recovery. You may be scared and weak, but you have to get yourself in a position to get the best
Yeah.
treatment that you can. There's always hope that it's possible to survive my kind of cancer. I saw people who did it. X amount of years, and they have not gone to the
Where's my towel?
What?
Find my towel.
You can't find your towel?
Yeah, I got hidden over here somewhere. It's the pile.
How come my nose is always running a lot? Even when I'm not eating.
I don't know.
Am I catching a cold?
Well, there's a lot of pollen floating around. Pollen, pollen, pollen. It's not raining and then it's windy and the pollen is floating.